First impressions are everything. If you're selling your car, the difference between a sold sign and a low ball offer is often just a few dollars worth of detailing. Today on AutoRift, I'm showing you the ultimate pre-sale spruce up using 6 Amazon bestsellers. We're skipping the expensive pro shops and getting that showroom look in under 5 minutes. Let's get to work. We start with the hardest hit area, the wheels. I'm using Adam's Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's a professional grade formula that targets heavy brake dust and eliminates that ugly tire browning. Watch as it dissolves metallic contamination on contact. It's safe for clear-coated and painted wheels, restoring them to factory color. Remember, clean wheels make a car look years younger instantly. Next up, the wash. To avoid scratches, we need lubrication. Enter the Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. This pH-balanced soap creates thick, clinging suds that lift dirt away without stripping your existing wax. Plus, the Honeydew scent makes the job actually enjoyable. It's safe on glass, plastic, and paint. Rinse it off, and you've already got a clean canvas. To get that buyer excited, you need a mirror-like finish. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. Ceramic spray is the game changer here. It uses ceramic wax polymers to create extreme water beading and a durable UV shield. One spray, one buff, and you have a high gloss shine that lasts for months. It makes the paint look deep, clear, and expensive. Now the interior, where the deal is closed. First, I use Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer. It's a top-tier choice for cleaning plastics, leather, and rubber without leaving a weird residue. But here is the secret weapon, 303 Automotive Protectant. Known as new car in a bottle, this provides ultimate UV protection with a smooth, non-greasy matte finish. It repels dust and dirt so the car stays looking fresh even after multiple test drives. No oily mess, just factory perfection. Never overlook the glass. Buyers hate streaks. Invisible glass is ammonia-free and tint-safe. Its clear, dry formula contains no soaps or dyes, meaning zero residue. A quick wipe ensures the interior feels open and bright. It's a small detail that makes a massive impact on the overall feel of the car. There it is, a complete pre-sale transformation. These 6 products are the gold standard for a reason. I've linked all of them in the description below so you can boost your car's value today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AutoRift for more detailing secrets. Thanks for watching.